Choosing a spray nozzle isn't just about achieving the best spray performance. The way you connect it to your system is just as important. The right connection can simplify installation and maintenance, but each option has its own advantages and drawbacks. Let's go through them, starting with the most common type, threaded nozzles. The most common thread style in North America is NPT, or National Pipe Thread. Unlike a regular bolt and nut, these threads have a taper, which helps them lock together and seal when tightened. In Europe and the UK, the standard is BSPT, or British Standard Pipe Thread. It's similar to NPT, but it has a different thread shape. BSPT nozzles are easy to identify by a small notch on each corner of the hex. But keep in mind, NPT and BSPT are not compatible. Mixing them can lead to leaks or damaged threads. Another popular option is the quick disconnect, or zip tip nozzle. It's a two-piece system, a body that threads into the source, and a nozzle tip that locks in with just a quick quarter turn. That makes removal fast and tool-free, perfect for cleaning and maintenance. Imagine a multi-stage washing system with hundreds or even thousands of spray nozzles. If you're replacing those nozzles every 6 months for cleaning, that adds up fast. With standard threaded connections, it could take a technician days to loosen and replace every nozzle. Not only does it require tools, but over time it can also wear down the internal threads on your pipes. Now compare that to using a zip tip or a K-ball assembly. Both are tool-free and the changeover can be done in a fraction of the time. Yes, zip tip assemblies cost more upfront, but for large wash systems with a strong preventative maintenance program, the long-term savings on labor and downtime are significant. And flexibility isn't an issue. You can combine these connection styles using our adapters. For example, a zip tip body can be integrated into a K-ball assembly with the KZBD adapter. For even more flexibility, there's the K-ball clip-on system. It installs by drilling a small hole in the pipe and then clipping in a body and a spring clip that snap around it. The ball and socket design lets you easily reposition the nozzle. And with multiple variations, you can get the spray pattern you need. We also offer threaded balls and adapters, which use the same installation method as the K-ball system. With the threaded ball, you can connect a BEX nozzle or adductor and adjust them by tightening or loosening the cap. The threaded adapter works a little differently. It clips over the hole in the pipe and the nozzle tightens directly into it for a fixed position. So whether it's NPT, BSPT, zip tip, clip-on, or a threaded adapter, BEX has the right connection style to make your spray system easier to install, maintain, and customize.